Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews, updates, and in-depth looks at classic and modern vehicles from around the world. We bring you detailed insights into everything that moves on wheels, from timeless classics to cutting-edge innovations in the auto industry. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a casual viewer curious about the driving experience, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a close look at the new 1908 Ford Model A Tudor, a vehicle that pays tribute to the origins of American automotive design. The 1908 Ford Model A was originally one of the first cars ever produced by the Ford Motor Company, and its influence is still recognized today. In this updated concept and review, we explore a reimagined version that blends vintage charm with some carefully added modern features, keeping the spirit of the original alive. The design remains faithful to the classic look of the early 20th century with its tall stance, upright grille, and distinct fender lines. The vintage steel wheels and narrow tires are matched with bodywork that stays true to the proportions and aesthetics of the original Tudor styling. The cabin is simple but elegant, featuring handcrafted wooden panels and leather bench seating that provide a nostalgic feel. The layout is intentionally minimal to mirror the early driving experience. Under the hood, this version of the 1908 Ford Model A has been equipped with a small displacement modern engine for better reliability and smoother operation while maintaining the low horsepower that characterized early automobiles. It's not about speed here but about preserving the historic driving sensation. The car moves with a gentle pace and gives the driver full control, creating an authentic and educational experience for anyone behind the wheel. Driving the 1908 Ford Model A Tudor is not about high performance or aggressive handling. It is about stepping back in time and understanding the roots of automotive history. From the sound of the engine to the feeling of the steering and braking, everything reminds you of how far the automobile has come. It's a nostalgic ride that collectors and classic car lovers will deeply appreciate. That wraps up our review of the new 1908 Ford Model A Tudor. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic car content, detailed reviews, specs, and automotive stories from across the eras, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay connected with All Motors brand.